Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with 2 quick checks: iOS up to date and camera permission granted, because the app uses live OCR so it can read text. Once done, open Translate, select the exact source and target languages. Make sure you choose automatic detection only if uncertain. Then tap the camera icon to enter live mode. Align the phone so the text fills the frame. Keep steady. This first action turns printed or on-screen words into selectable text, which the app can translate instantly. Now you refine the capture. Hold the phone perpendicular to the text and steady, because OCR accuracy drops with glare or tilt. Tap to focus and pinch to zoom if letters are tiny. This improves character recognition. Use freeze or scan to lock a frame, which lets you scroll through multiple lines and manually select text segments when automatic detection misses words. Once selected, the app runs the translation. Make sure the source language matches detected script, because that avoids wrong substitution. Finish by interacting with the translation. Tap any line to hear natural-sounding audio, copy text to clipboard, or share via your preferred app. This makes it practical for travel or work. Save important translations to the phrasebook for offline reference and export long captures as text if you need to edit. If the camera fails to detect text, first verify camera permission, then force close Translate and reopen. If that does not help, restart the phone and toggle network. This fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.